Repetition is something machines are good at. In the last lesson, we found one way of repetition, recursion. Iteration is another way. Iterate with the while statement. This is similar in look to the if statement. The body gets executed only when the condition evaluates to be true. But there's a key difference. Here, everything will be repeated as long as the condition remains true. If the condition ever evaluates to be false, we come out of the loop. Otherwise, this loop may run forever. So the loop body must change some values on the run, so as to make the condition false eventually. Then the loop will terminate. You can add an alternative branch also. This alt branch will be executed exactly once, when the condition evaluates to be false. Another example. This loop is infinite, because we hard-coded condition as true here. But with a slight change, it becomes useful. Now it lets users decide when to quit. Break statement like this helps us exit the loop, even when the condition is true. Remember that if you break out like this, else branch will not be executed, because condition is still true. So we learnt to iterate using while loop. Sometimes, we may need to iterate upon sequences like strings. For example, counting the number of as in a string. This too can be done with while loops, but there's another easy way, for loops. Here are two simple examples. For loop also can have an alternative branch. And break works in for loops also. Similarly, there's continue, if you want to skip an element, and start over with the next. Let's wind up this lesson now. Next episode deals with sequences. Before that, if you have any question, feel free to ask that in comments below.